So the wipers from my car finally arrived today, and I'm going to change them. Just see, the first one I have already changed. This is the frameless type of wiper. Previous also frameless, but in this one the entire strip was damaged, so I have installed a new one here. The big one I have already installed. The small one we will see how it is to be installed. So let's go into it. So this is what we are going to change. This one we will remove from here and we will change it. So now this will be the wiper which will be installing in this place. So let's check it out what needs to be done. So we have to first remove this part. This part comes out very easily. Just we have to push it from here one side, and then we have to remove this from here. Once this comes out, we have to push it back side. Once you push it back side, it will come out like this. See, this is the old car, so we are having U type of hooks. Generally there are no U type of hooks for this. Newer cars have different type of hooks. So now this is the wiper which we are going to install. For this, how to do, I will show you. So this one you have to press it here and open it from here. So this is how it opens. Remember, we have to put the U hook always from this side. If you put it like this, it won't work. So you have to always remember to put it like this. So once you put it here, go in front and adjust it properly. Once adjusted, push it inside like I did. Now fix it here and put it down. That's how it is actually done. Now we will test it out how it works, how both of them works. So let's see it in function now. This is the spray. This works like a charm. No issues with the working. The silicone wiper type of this frameless works very good, and I have actually used it previously also. So only this time I purchased the frameless one. It is quite good, but you have to be very careful about choosing your brand. Otherwise this one is very nice too.